Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a beautiful and tasty cheese and jam sandwich. Hi guys, my name is Nissan and welcome back to Tasting Flavors. This is a quite simple and easy recipe that you could whip up anytime in the week. So let's get straight into it. First, I'm starting off with some butter. Then I'm adding some jam, and I'm using strawberry jam, which gives it a nice and sweet flavor. Now I'm going to be including some tasty homemade pepper sauce, and it's quite mild. And if you want to find out how to make it, check out the link in the description below. Now I'm going to be placing some cheddar cheese all around. Now my favorite, sweet corn. Come on, let's give it some substance. Some crunchy red onions, bringing out that real lovely flavor. A little bit of black pepper. Then I'm squeezing all this mayonnaise out. You don't have to put so much mayonnaise if you don't want to, but I like my sandwich real juicy. Some ketchup all over it. And this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Voila! This is your gorgeous and tasty cheese and jam sandwich. I hope you enjoyed this video and go straight ahead and give it a go. You would love it. And if you want to find out the recipes for this sandwich, check out the description link below. And see you on the next one.